that I became. I could probably be like you, but I've always been different. Only writing music sober, you write only when you're lifted up. I know I'm gifted, but it wasn't given. I was in my room way before they ever gave attention. Now it's happening, so everybody's showing love. Remember shows when nobody ever showed me love. Did a headline, used to only open up. Lately I've been chilling, so it's time I get my focus up. I lost sleep, but gained passion. I'm old-fashioned. Did this independent, never need a closed caption. Now they tell me I'm the man of the year, cause I worked through my fears. Now my dreams coming true like,
oh, you can hear me cry. Sing my dreams all night. From where you're standing on your own. It's so quiet here, and I feel so cold. This house no longer feels like home.
let's go back to the days, back when no one used to listen. Had this band to get place, had to message my old friend list, commented on every video, but that never worked. I wanted to be on Centerfolds, said forget the books, never one for academics. Remember every single teacher laughing at my vision. Looking back, I'm glad they did. That evolved my work ethic into everything it is. Now they tell me I'm the freaking man, can't believe I'm rising up. Used to listen to the critics, now I'm wising up. I'm making noise with no degree. They tell me go to school and listen, college ain't for me. Got my mindset on my music, everybody said that's stupid, but I'm chasing what I love while you're just dreaming to pursue it, yeah. Listen to my words, you gotta do it now. If you're too afraid to fall, then tell me why you're living now.
Oh, you can hear me cry. Sing my dreams all night. From where you're standing on your own. It's so quiet here, and I feel so cold. This house no longer feels like home. You can hear me cry. Sing my dreams all night. From where you're standing on your own. It's so quiet here, and I feel so cold. This house no longer feels like home.
Stop giving up. You can't do it. Do it. You should get to the point where anyone else would quit. Do it. Just do it. What are you waiting for? Do it. Just do it. Do it. Wake up and work. Do it. Just